Namaste. Thanks for attending the demo class on the career guidance demo class. After attending the demo class, you might have realized what is the best course for you. So, if you have chosen Android and iOS app development using React Native, so in this video, I am gonna explain not in depth, an overview of what you're gonna study. In case if you have not attended the demo, please WhatsApp demo to 96116 so that you can attend a demo on career guidance. So the first demo class is about career guidance, where I'll be guiding you based on your requirement, based on your capability, what is the best course which is there in the market. Not necessarily has to be the course that Felight offers, but career guidance is all about choosing the best course. Now coming back to React Native course, like any other course, here I do not assume that you are having some programming background. So I'll teach you from very basics. So I have devised the topics in this way. So JavaScript Basics. Here I take care of teaching you the programming fundamentals using JavaScript. Remember, this is not going to be a pre-recorded video which you're going to access. It's a live class. Alright. So live class where I'll teach you the concept and I'll make you work in front of my eyes, and I give you the feedback and do the assessment. So everything happens on live. So once the JavaScript basics, that is programming fundamentals, just very fundamentals, once it's over, we'll move forward with JavaScript Advanced. Here we'll be looking into very advanced concept like promises, a weird part of JS. Don't get confused with these words. These are very small topics. Just the topic name is advanced, which I categorized as what is essential, that is put in JavaScript basics, and what is essential for React and React Native, that is been put into JavaScript Advanced. So JavaScript Basics and JavaScript Advanced are independent of React Native. So what do I mean by that? After attending JavaScript Basics and JavaScript Advanced, you may choose to go for React or React Native or Flutter or any other JavaScript frameworks including Node.js. So this acts as a foundation. Once this is over, okay, since we are talking about the React Native course here, we'll be dealing with the React Native, and this is the overview of the syllabus. So let's not discuss each of these one by one right now. For that, you can again come to the live class. Now that you have attended the demo, you have to take an admission by paying the admission fee, and followed by I'll be arranging a class for you. So there we'll discuss in depth about each of this topic. But in one single line, I'll tell you what will be the takeaway of this course. After completing this course, you will be able to develop any app you think of for both Android as well as iOS. So that is the takeaway from this course. So for which step by step guidance is given from basics till advanced level. Now this entire course has been categorized into sprints. We follow a methodology called Agile. So in Agile we categorize them into each sprint. Sprint 1, Sprint 2, Sprint 3 and so on. In each sprint, before the sprint 1 starts, I will share what are the things we're going to cover in this sprint. Each sprint consists of 10 days. So in this 10 days, how many topics we'll be covering? There will be an estimate, there will be a plan. For that, notes, materials, everything will be shared with you. But the notes, materials are shared such a way that if today, let's say we are studying app, React Native state and props and styling. Let's say these 3 chapters we are studying today. Then notes for these 3 chapters are shared. Notes, materials, videos, many other resources will be shared with you. And then the regular class happens. Okay. And then you will continue having the access to those notes. And then next topics and so on will be shared with you. After 10 days of class, we do each and every sprint gets over. We do an overview again. We'll do a revision, and then most important thing is assessment. We'll do the assessment created exclusively for this sprint. So in this assessment, if you perform really well, I'll give you more work, and Suppose if you do not perform well, then I will discuss with you one to one, face to face, and try to understand what is the problem, how I can help you with that. And fee structure is also like this. You will be paying only for that sprint. Suppose you attend this sprint and followed by you either you decided to not to go for this, or to go for not to continue with this course, or you decided to shift your course. Let's say for example in 2 sprints this gets over, and after these 2 sprints you may decide that no, I don't want to go to React Native, but I want to go to React, or I want to go to Flutter. In such cases you no need to pay the fee for React Native, but go forward with the other courses. These options are there. So fees what you will be paying is only for that particular sprint. So like this we'll move forward, and every 10 days successful assessment happens, and after the assessment we'll go to the next sprint. So like this we will go step by step, step by step, step by step. Every course is offered at Felight. I have got wonderful notes so prepared by me, and I spend a lot of time preparing these materials. Say I'll choose any random course here, and let me open some of the random chapter. You see, you get an access to notes like this. So trust me, these notes gonna help you a lot in understanding the concept better. Students who attended my training 10 years back, even now they are accessing my notes. If I just go to share here, this is the one part of the things. You see, the students who've been accessing my materials. Sorry, my system is hanging because of a lot of contacts. So there is a one batch where notes are shared. So imagine from last 10 years people are depending on the notes like this, right? So very good quality notes are given. Classes will happen now. What do you see, this effect of me coming in the background and explaining the code like this? This is actually live class. This is not pre-recorded. Is a live class is being recorded. So it's not recorded and post-production video has been added. So classes also will be going like this. So what I'm trying to say is, you don't feel like you're attending online. You feel as if Vinay sir is sitting in front of you. So that level of quality is maintained. So to see you in the next class. All the best.